Traditional distribution relied on guesswork. Invisible field activity meant blind, costly decision-making. Sokrio was built to close that gap. Sokrio enforces discipline via geofenced validation. Sales reps must be within the outlet radius to log visits, ensuring accurate tracking and transparency. Sales representatives can place orders efficiently with minimal friction, improving productivity and reducing operational delays. Users can monitor operational insights, sales activities, field performance, and critical metrics, all in one platform. From target tracking and stock monitoring to sales returns, Sokrio connects every critical business activity into one seamless ecosystem. We provide a dedicated support team for every user, ensuring personalized assistance and rapid resolution across our entire ecosystem. Sokrio offers 7 dynamic role-based dashboards. Tailored to specific permissions, every stakeholder sees the information that matters most. Our map intelligence replaces spreadsheets with real-time visual insights, enabling faster and smarter decision-making. This is a complete ecosystem with dynamic access control, territory management, integrating orders, promotions, stock, and payments into a single platform. Sokrio's inspection module uses customizable surveys to capture structured market intelligence directly from the field. Sokrio's live tracking provides instant visibility through real-time maps, route history, and device status, ensuring complete field oversight. With over 70 built-in reports, Sokrio provides deep operational visibility and performance insights to quickly identify and close gaps. Businesses can also generate customized reports tailored to their specific needs for maximum operational flexibility. We feature AI-powered support for faster assistance and smarter, more efficient user interactions. In addition, we provide data-based advanced analytics services. Sokrio Technologies Limited, your ultimate sales development partner.